Length spoken voiceover review. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into an amazing product that I think is going to blow your mind. The LG 34SR60QC-W 34-inch QHD monitor. Now, before we get started, let me tell you something super cool about this monitor. It's handpicked by Amazon for you. That means they've done all the research so you don't have to. They've found the best features and specs to make sure you get the most out of your new display. And with a rating of 4.5 stars, 474 reviews. I know this thing is going to be awesome. Let's talk about what makes it an incredible work and play companion. It's 21:9 curved smart screen. This means you can multitask like a pro, whether you're working, playing games, or watching your favorite shows on Netflix. Simply connect the monitor to your laptop, desktop, or gaming console and voila, you've got a massive viewing area that's perfect for getting lost in your work or games. But here's where things get really interesting. webOS 23 is built right into this display. With it, you can access all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, HBO Max, and more, over 300 plus free LG channels to boot. You'll be able to find your favorite shows or movies in no time. It's like having a personalized entertainment hub at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the tech specs that make this monitor truly stand out. It's 34-inch UltraWide QHD display with a 21:9 aspect ratio. That means you get a whopping 34% wider view than a standard 16:9 display. It's like having a cinema right in your home office or gaming den. And with an impressive 99% sRGB color gamut, you'll experience games and visuals that are simply stunning. But what about connectivity? Don't worry, this monitor's got you covered. With 2 HDMI ports and 3 USB ports, you can connect all your devices without any compatibility issues. Plus, Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit compatibility means you can wirelessly control your monitor using your iOS or macOS device. No need for an Apple TV. Now, let's talk about the design of this beauty. It's sleek, smart, and virtually frameless. The 3-side border is almost invisible, giving you a clean and modern look that'll complement any home office or gaming setup. And with LG Magic Remote compatibility, you can navigate your content easily using the remote. But here's what I think sets this monitor apart from all the others. Its optimized WFH, work from home, feature. With webOS, you can access cloud PC services like Microsoft 365 and Google applications without needing a separate PC. It's perfect for those who work remotely or need to stay productive while still enjoying their favorite shows. Last but not least, let's talk about accessibility and energy efficiency. The LG 34SR60QC-W is designed with both in mind. With features like an automatic brightness adjustment and low power consumption, you can enjoy your monitor without worrying about the environment or your wallet. And if you're concerned about color blindness, don't worry. The sRGB color gamut ensures that you'll see vibrant colors for years to come. So there you have it. The LG 34SR60QC-W is a powerhouse of a monitor that's designed to make your work and play experience more enjoyable than ever. With its stunning display, sleek design, and innovative features like webOS 23 and Apple AirPlay 2 compatibility, this thing is going to be a game changer for anyone in the market for a new monitor. Want to get your hands on one? Click the link below to check out the best price. Word count, 555.